Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain what is module in Python programming. So in our previous videos we have seen what is a function, how we have defined a function and how we can access the functions in the Python programming. So now we see what is module. So first of all, what is a module? So it is nothing but it is just a programming file which will be containing as number of functions, classes, objects, whatever it is, and we can access the functions from a module into the Python programming. So now let's see like how we can create a module and how we can access the functions in a module. So as I said, a module is nothing but a Python programming file. So let's create a module. So as part of this module we create three different functions and we try to access the functions within this module. So let the first function be find name, and let's pass string as a parameter and we print the name. So name is string, then we finish this function by return, then we define another function for location, print location, and let's print it. Location is string and we finish this function to return, and finally we define another one function for age and we pass integer as parameter and we print that. So age is int. So we have defined three functions in a module. So let's save this module now. Let the module name be module, or let's keep it as test module. Okay, so now we have created a module. So now we want to see like how we can use this module in a Python programming. So now I want to access the print age function from the test module. So how we can do that? From test module import print age. So what I'm doing, from the test module I am importing just print age function. So here if I give print age of say 25, it is printing just a age, but I cannot do the same for printing the location. Why? Because we have imported only the print age. So now if I want to access all the functions in that particular module, how I can do that? So that is from test module import star. So if you give star, all the functions will be imported to this Python programming. So how we can now access? So print location, let's give London. So it's printing the location, and we can print the name as well, right? So in this way we can invoke all the functions of a module into the Python programming. So there is another one way also. Instead of using from then the module name and import function name, we can directly use the import keyword also. So import test module. So here what we have done is like we have imported the complete module. So now how you will be accessing it? So the module name dot, then you have to give the function name. So here you have to pass the values. So mark. So you're able to access the individual function in this test module. So similarly you can access the age also. See, you're able to return the values. So in this way we can access the functions of a module in two different ways. And say like you know a module and you wanted to know like what are the functions available in that particular module. So how we can do that? So we can do in this way. Firstly we need to import the module. So import test module, we have already done it, and then we can use the directory keyword dir of test module. So by doing this, the whole functions in this test module will be copied to this content. So now if you print the content, we can see like what are the functions available here. So print age, print location and print name. So these are the three different functions available within the module test module. So I hope you guys understand what is module, how we can create a module, how we can access the functions of a module, and how we can display what are the functions available in the module. Thanks for watching this video. In my next video I will be explaining what is package, what is the significance of package, and how we can use the package. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.